You have a conveyor belt full of packages. One ship. A deadline. And you need to figure out the smallest ship that gets the job done. This is LEED code 1011, capacity to ship packages within D days. And the trick to solving it? Binary search on answer. If you understand this one pattern, you'll crack an entire category of problems. Let's break it down from scratch. Imagine you're a shipping manager. There's a conveyor belt with packages lined up. Each package has a weight. You have a ship that carries packages every day, but you can't exceed the ship's weight capacity. And you must ship them in order. You can't rearrange. You can't skip ahead. The question is, what's the smallest ship capacity that lets you finish shipping everything within D days? Let's walk through the first example. Weights are 1 through 10, and we have 5 days. Try ship capacity 15. Day 1 we load 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's exactly 15. Day 2, 6 and 7 is 13. Day 3 is 8, day 4 is 9, day 5 is 10. Done in exactly 5 days, it works. Now try 14. Day 1 we load 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 10. Adding 5 would be 15, which exceeds 14. So day 2 starts with 5. We end up needing 6 days. That's too many. So the minimum capacity is 15. A few key observations. First, order matters. You must load packages in the sequence they come on the belt. Second, each day you greedily load as many packages as you can without exceeding the capacity. Third, notice the trade-off. If the ship is too small, you need more days. If it's too big, you finish early but the capacity is wasteful. There's a sweet spot, the minimum capacity where you just barely finish in D days. The brute force idea is simple. Start with the smallest possible capacity, which is the heaviest single package, and keep increasing by 1 until we find a capacity that ships everything in D days. But look at the constraints. There can be 50,000 packages, each weighing up to 500. Sum of weights could be 25 million. Scanning linearly through all those values is too slow. But here's the key insight. Can we binary search on the capacity? This is the binary search on answer pattern. 3 conditions. 1. The answer lies in a range. Here it's from the heaviest package to the total sum of all weights. 2. We can write a check function that tells us whether a given capacity is enough. 3. The relationship is monotonic. A bigger ship means fewer days, always. When all 3 conditions are met, we apply binary search on the answer space. Same pattern as Coco eating bananas and split array largest sum. Here's the approach. Step 1. Define the search space. Left is the maximum weight of any single package. The ship must be at least that big. Right is the sum of all weights. That's the capacity if we ship everything in one day. Step 2. Binary search. Compute mid. Step 3. Check how many days we need at capacity mid. We greedily load packages each day until adding the next one would exceed mid, then start a new day. Step 4. If the days needed exceeds D, capacity is too small, move left up. Otherwise, it works, but we want the minimum, so set right to mid. Step 5. When left equals right, that's our answer. Let's look at the check function. It takes the weights array, a capacity, and the number of days allowed. We start on day 1 with sum 0. For each package, if adding it would exceed the capacity, we start a new day and reset the sum to this package's weight. Otherwise, we add it to today's load. If at any point the day count exceeds D, we return false. If we process all packages without exceeding D days, return true. Simple greedy simulation. Let's try run the check function with capacity 15, 5 days. Day 1, we add packages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sum reach S exactly 1, 5. Package 6 would make it 21 which exceeds 15, so start day 2 with package 6. Sum is 6, add package 7, sum is 13. Package 8 would make it 21, start day 3. Package 8 alone is 8, package 9 would make it 17, start day 4 with 9. Package 10 would make it 19, start day 5 with 10. We used exactly 5 days, returns true. Now the main function. We set left to the maximum element, the ship has to be at least big enough for the heaviest package. Right is the sum of all weights, that's the capacity if we ship everything in a single day. Then standard binary search, compute mid, check if mid capacity is valid. If it works, try smaller by setting right to mid. If it fails, move left to mid +1. When the loop ends, left is the minimum capacity. Clean, elegant, and efficient. Here's the complete solution together. The valid function does the greedy day simulation. The main function does binary search on the capacity range. Left is max element, right is total sum. Binary search narrows it down. About 30 iterations of binary search, each scanning the array once. Total complexity is O of n times log of sum, very fast for the given constraints. Time complexity. Binary search runs over the range from max weight to total sum, that's about log of 25 million, roughly 25 iterations. Each iteration scans the entire array in ON. With n at 50,000, that's about 1.25 million operations total. Very fast. Space complexity is O of 1, we're only using a few variables, no extra data structures. Let's cement this pattern. Binary search on answer applies when 3 conditions are met. 1. The answer is in a known range. 2. You can write a function to check if a given value works. 3. The relationship is monotonic. This same pattern shows up in Coco eating bananas, split array largest sum, magnetic force between 2 balls, and many more. Master while left less than right, right equals mid, and you've unlocked a whole category of problems. If this made the problem click for you, smash that like button and subscribe. I break down DSA patterns in a simple, visual way, so they actually stick. Drop a comment telling me which problem to cover next. Share this with a friend who's grinding LeetCode. See you in the next one.